Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add a Google Form on your Shopify store. So first you can do is create your Google Form. So this is my Google Form. I will just name it Google Form. And yeah, for this example, I will just add more like this. And yeah, and after that, you can go to here in the top right corner and click three dots here, and then you can click embed HTML here, and then you can copy it. But if you want to change the width and height, you can do it. But for this example, I will just use default setting. I will just click copy, and after that, on the Shopify dashboard, go to your online store, then click pages here. Oops, I'm sorry, don't forget to click publish here and click publish, and then go back to Shopify dashboard, click pages and click add page. After that, you have to click here show HTML, then you can paste the code here, and then you can name the title. I will just name it Google Form, and then click save. After that, you can click preview here, and this is your Google Form. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.